Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show tab previews in the Windows taskbar in Firefox Windows 10. So how to show tab previews in the Windows taskbar in Firefox Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Tabs menu. Now next. Tap Show Tab Previews in the Windows taskbar. This feature displays a preview of the Firefox tab on the Windows 10 taskbar so that users can see the contents of the tab without opening it. So that's it, tutorial how to show tab previews in the Windows taskbar in Firefox Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.